forcibly displaced Myanmar national. Especially thanks this program organizer on Rohingya issue. There is no secret about the Rohingya. Who are Rohingya? Where are Rohingya from? Everyone knows that. First, I would like to tell about the first wave of genocide on 2017. In 2017, the Myanmar security forces and Buddhist extremists violence crimes on us means this is the first wave of genocide on Rohingya. Its results, 10,000 Rohingya were killed and selected. 108,000 women and girls were raped and gang raped in front of parents, in front of husbands. The children were selected in front of parents, in front of relatives, and thrown onto the fire. Now, 8 years, what will change the world? It is my question from the world community. We are still suffering inside the refugee camps, but we did not see anything still for our sustainable, dignified return to our ancestral homeland of Arakan. In 2024, there are second wave of genocide by the Rakhine rebel group Arakan Army. The results, 4,000 Rohingya were killed and selected. 158,000 Rohingya were fled to Bangladesh and other neighboring countries, including Yangon. Under the management of Muslim Reduction Unit of Arakan Army, they are systematically pushing to our people to other countries. They have intentionally, systematically planned to drive out our Rohingya peoples. As an example, on 2 May 2024, in Tanjau Camp village, Hoyasiri, there are 600 Rohingya were killed and selected by the Arakan Army. On 17 May 2024, in Butidon, Downtown, and Lawada Pranche, Lawada Bazanchong, Choprudon, Teminchong, Nakindo, all villages were systematically burned down by the Rakhine rebel group Arakan Army. More than 1,000 Rohingya were intentionally killed and selected. But international community are totally failed for the effective action and protection of the Rohingya people. We see a series of statements and reports and uncountable conferences, events, media conferences, so on. What are the results? All are good for nothing. Refugee life is not a choice. It is circumstance. Every human being may fall on that. Refugee life is like not easy. It is hell. Enough is enough. Let's go home. Enough is enough. Let's go home. We have every document that Arakan Army killed on Rohingya people and other civilians. We have everything on details. Inshallah, we will help to the international mechanism to process their mission. The world recognizes that Rohingyas are most persecuted minority of the world. Persecuted does not mean Rohingya cannot do anything. Persecuted does not mean Rohingya cannot belong any country. Persecuted does not mean Rohingya cannot take any citizenship in any country. Persecuted does not mean Rohingya cannot belong their education rights. Persecution does not mean Rohingya cannot survive like other people around the world. Now, need your help to take action. Now, need your support. Now, need your cooperation with Bangladesh government and Rohingya relieving actors for the sustainable and dignified return of the Rohingya people with safety, security, and dignity. We requesting today one timeline for returning of the Rohingya people to our ancestral homeland of Arakan state of Myanmar. We wanted justice and accountability. Delaying of justice is encouraging the perpetrators to do again crime on victims. Delaying of justice encouraging perpetrators to do more crimes on the victims. So we are requesting quick justice for the Rohingya people and sustainable repatriation to our ancestral homeland of Arakan. Now the time is practical action, not empty promises. Now the time is for action, no empty statement, no empty conferences, no empty statement. Arakan Zindabad. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.